Hi everyone, I'm going to go over lesson number 1 for week of 1026. If you need help, feel free to reach out through Hangout, text or call, or email or message to sign up for office hours. This is the lesson agenda. For step 1, you'll be completing an Edpuzzle video. Step 2, you'll go over your vocab tracker. And step 3, you'll practice using Kahoot. If you want a little bit more of a challenge, you can complete the optional extension on Punnett Squares. Here is today's or this week's objective. You will be able to model the inheritance of traits using Punnett Squares. These are key points from last lesson. For step 1, please complete the Edpuzzle video. Go ahead and click on the image and click on the link to watch and complete the video. If you would like to watch this video in Spanish, click the CC on Edpuzzle and you will be able to watch and read with subtitles using the video. For step 2, complete your vocab tracker. Go ahead and copy the following term and definition into your vocab tracker. This week's vocabulary word is Punnett Square. A Punnett Square is a tool used by biologists to determine the probability that an offspring will have a specific genotype and phenotype. In order to complete and use a Punnett Square, first you have to draw a square and divide it into 4 boxes like this one here. Then you will write the genotype of one parent across at the top, so this one here, and write the other parent's genotype on the left side of the box, like here. Then you will cross the parents together by bringing each allele from the top down and from the side across. Each box should now have 2 allele letters from one from each parent. So you will cross this R with this one across for this box, then this R with this one across for the second box. Then you will move down here. You will cross this lowercase r with the uppercase R for the third box, and we always place the capital letter first, no matter in which order they are as when you cross it. And then you will cross the small r with the other small r for the 4th box. Then we will move on to step 3 for your Kahoot practice. Go ahead and click here on the link to open Kahoot, and you will use your first name as your nickname so we can know who has practiced, and complete the questions. If you would like to complete the extension, this is optional but not required. Make sure that you know that in order to get 100% on this assignment, you do have to complete this extension. Here you have some word problems regarding dimples and how Gabriella and Julian, 2 people, what their genotypes can be. And then here we have what if they were able to have children, what would the children's genotypes be? So we will be using the Punnett Square to complete and find those percentages. And then here, this is another Punnett Square. And lastly, you will be answering these questions regarding what you got here. Here's the answer key. Make sure to use your cursor to find the answers below and complete these reflection questions from the assignment. Check your work and submit. Let us know how long it took you to complete this assignment, and don't forget to turn it on Google Classroom.